How can I check whether the numpy array exists already or not? I want to know if an array is already defined somewhere before in the code. Something like a dot exists gives true if it exists and false if it doesn't. I tried a dot size column, but if the array doesn't exist yet, it gives an error message, which I want to avoid. The situation demanding this happened in a loop, if you are wondering.
Python has some built-in functions that can check if a variable is assigned in the current /local/global scope. For example, to check if a variable is defined in the current local scope use. But that's not good Python. Try/except is more common, but for completeness I thought it worth mentioning that you can do it without any try/except. Also worth mentioning is locals and globals.
You'll need to use a try/except block. As Podrick points out, this really shouldn't occur in the first place. It is best to initialize your variables, for example a equals none, and then check that they have been set, for example if a column print a is set, else column print a has not been set.
In case you want to be sure that A is a numpy array and not any other type that may have a size variable or method, you can check the type warped in a try block to handle the exception in case the variable is not defined. This way you go ahead only if it exists and is a numpy array.
Using a try/except name error wrapper is good Python. But initializing the variable to something useful beforehand is equally good. I don't think there's much of difference in speed, but the code is more readable. For example, will produce A, which can be tracked with but I could define earlier. None is a handy value if I don't know beforehand what the first value of a should be. Another common numpy practice is to start with an empty list and accumulate values there.